Your professor asks you to write a paper and present about a topic currently in the news. You can either use popular or scholarly articles to support your paper. You heard a news report that briefly mentioned the Climate Change Scoping Plan, which identified mechanisms to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. You'd like to find more journal, magazine, and newspaper articles about this plan, so you decide to begin your research using a general article database, like EBSCOhost Academic Search Complete. You can find this database on the library homepage, and scrolling down beneath the graphics, you can see an Articles tab, and within that you see a link to Academic Search. If you click on that, you will be taken to EBSCOhost Academic Search, where you can type in your search topic. For example, my topic, which is Climate Change Scoping Plan. Now, I can either search within the title or the abstract field, or I can search if I know the specific article title or author I'm looking for, or I can search in the full text of that article for my search terms. I'm going to search right now in the text of the article. I place the search terms in quotation marks so that those words have to appear right next to each other, and I received 17 results. Over on the side, I can see even further options for limiting my search. For example, if I only want articles that are full text within Academic Search, if I want to narrow by date, I can do that. The oldest article amongst my 17 is 2008. I can limit by specifically only finding journals, which it found 12, 3 trade publications in my search results, or 2 magazine articles. Or I could limit further by subject terms here. For example, if I wanted everything in this database on climatic change, law, and legislation, I can go back and copy that search term into my search box and find even more things on that topic. Now I have 632 articles about the law and legislation of climatic change. Now, when you're looking at your result list, any article that you'd like to find a summary of the article instead of reading the entire article, you can scroll over that little spyglass choice there, and you can see an abstract, so you can decide if it's worthwhile for you to read the entire article. You can also see that several of the articles here have PDF links, so I could read that entire article. If it does not have a link to the full text, if it just says find a copy, that means in this particular database that is not available. But if you click find a copy, it will look through all the other databases that Owens Library subscribes to, and if it can find it, like this one, it takes you to another database, in this case Business Insights, and pulls up the full text of that article in that database so I can still read it. Some of the articles, for example, if I go forward a page here and I click on find a copy, I do not see another database with a full text article. On this one, all it says is can't find it. What this means is it's not available full text in any of our databases, but if I click on request a copy, I can request that article be sent to me digitally through interlibrary loan by filling out this form. You can, if you find a lot of articles that you want to look at later, you can click on share and copy that link into your email so that later when you paste in that link into a browser, it will pull back these exact same search results. Or if you find a particularly good article, you can click the title of the article and you have choices there to email yourself the article along with a citation for that article. Or you can click on the cite choice and you can see a citation for that particular article. Or you can click on permalink, and again, this link, which is also required by a lot of citation schemes like APA, that permalink will get you right back to that article again later. So if you need to have a citation to where that article is located at, this permalink is what you would paste into that citation area. If you have any further questions about locating information, either in Academic Search Complete or any of our library databases, on every library homepage there is a link to Ask a Librarian. And you can email a more specific question. You can set up help with research, where we will help you research a little more in depth your particular research topic. We can help you with citing, or you can email any of us individually and we'll be happy to help you further find things that meet your own research needs. Thanks a lot.